Welcome to 4563 Narragansett Avenue, where Ocean Beach unfolds beneath you, sunsets become part of your daily routine, and the rooftop is where life naturally happens. Imagine starting your morning here with a cup of coffee as the marine layer slowly gives way to blue skies. Watching surfers head to the water, feeling that cool ocean breeze that reminds you why you chose to live near the coast. Inside, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath home is warm, open, and designed to bring everyone together. But the real magic begins when you open the doors and step outside. Dinner with friends, a glass of wine at sunset, watching the neighborhood lights come alive as the sky turns shades of gold, pink, and deep blue. The oversized rooftop deck is another living room, only better. And then there's Ocean Beach. Walk to Newport Avenue for dinner, grab coffee at your favorite neighborhood cafe, spend Wednesday evenings at the farmer's market, take your dog to Dog Beach, or catch a sunset at the pier. Pretty soon, you'll recognize familiar faces everywhere you go. Because that's what Ocean Beach does. It turns neighbors into friends and routines into traditions. Ocean Beach is worth calling home. And from up here, you may never want to leave.